Basics of genetic engineering in agriculture. What is genetic engineering? Genetic engineering is the direct manipulation of an organism's DNA to introduce desirable traits. In agriculture, it involves modifying the genome of crops to improve yield, enhance resistance to pests, diseases, tolerate environmental stresses, improve nutritional content. First-generation GM crops, 1990s to 2000s. Key traits introduced: insect resistance using Bt genes from Bacillus thuringiensis, herbicide tolerance, e.g., glyphosate-resistant soybean and corn, delayed ripening, e.g., flavor-saver tomato. Benefits: reduced pesticide use, higher yields, lower production costs, disease and pest-resistant crop. Examples: Bt cotton, corn, produces proteins toxic to specific insects. Virus-resistant papaya, engineered to resist papaya ringspot virus. Hawaii, fungal-resistant bananas and potatoes under development. Abiotic stress-tolerance crops engineered to survive environmental stresses. Drought-tolerant maize, drought guard, for water-scarce areas. Salt-tolerant rice and wheat, for saline soils. Cold and heat tolerance. Expanding crop growth regions. Nutritional enhancement, biofortification. Examples: golden rice, genetically enriched with provitamin, iron-rich beans and zinc-fortified wheat. High oleic soybeans, healthier oil profiles. Marker-assisted selection, MAS, a transitional technology between traditional breeding and genetic engineering. Uses DNA markers to track traits in breeding programs. Speeds up the development of disease-resistant or climate-smart crops. Gene editing, CRISPR, Cas 9 major breakthrough allows precise, targeted edits in a plant's genome. No foreign DNA needed. Often not considered GMO by some regulators. Applications: non-browning mushrooms, improved tomato flavor, fungal-resistant wheat, drought and heat-tolerant rice. Synthetic biology and metabolic engineering. Advanced applications: engineering metabolic pathways to produce medicines, e.g., insulin in plants. Bioplastics or biofuels. Nitrogen-fixing cereals, under research. Reduce need for fertilizers. Trait stacking and speed breeding. Trait stacking, combining multiple beneficial traits into a single crop, e.g., Bt plus drought resistance plus nutrition. Speed breeding uses controlled environments and genetic tools to rapidly develop new crop generations. Gene drives in agriculture. What are gene drives? Genetic systems that bias inheritance to spread traits quickly through populations. Agricultural use: control of insect pests, e.g., suppressing reproduction of crop-damaging species. Regulatory, ethical and societal dimensions. Challenges: public concerns about safety, environment, and ethics. Labeling regulations vary by country. Access to technology in developing nations.